Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to our HAWO Academy. My name is Dirk, HAWO's Customer Care Manager. On today's tutorial, we'll be looking at one of the devices in our HAWO VAC series. For initial device installation, the following is required: a power supply according machine specification, the original HAWO power cord, as well as a pressurized air supply of 6 bars. As follows: please connect your machine to the power supply, as well as to your pressurized air supply using the supply connector. Then switch the machine on. Once the machine is connected to its suitable power supply, as well as the required 6-bar pressurized air supply, it is strongly recommended to do a first use 0-point setting. In order to do so, please make sure that the emergency stop button is not being pressed accidentally. You can verify by following the error symbol and releasing if necessary. Then please access the service menu for this 0-point setting as follows. Place your fingers on the menu and the enter button and keep those pressed. While you keep those pressed, please switch the machine on. The machine will then automatically go into its service mode, submenu, system calibration. Please confirm. Please confirm the submenu 0-point. Please confirm that the sealing machine is equipped with a heating element on its upper and lower heating bar. Please confirm as well that the machine has not been working before and the sealing bars have room temperature. The machine will now automatically do the 0-point setting, and once finished, you will be asked to enter the current valid room temperature. In our case, 22 degrees. Please confirm both digits and exit the menu by menu button. The machine will initiate an automatic boot sequence and is ready for working. During machine installation, it is strongly recommended to do trials in order to find the suitable sealing temperature for the sealing materials in use. This could be a temperature recommendation by specification, for example 140 degrees, or alternatively a temperature range, in this case 120 to 134 degrees. In order to do so, please check on your machine the current working mode. This is done by simply pushing the enter button. The machine will automatically display the current working mode. For trials, it is beneficial and recommended to use the sealing mode, which is accessible by touch of a button. Please go back to the initial display showing the currently set sealing parameters. In order to change the sealing parameters now, please access the menu by menu button. Automatically, the required menu is displayed. Please confirm. Now, please enter the new sealing temperature set point and also confirm a value for sealing time. Usually it is required to use set points around 2 seconds, in our case 2.5 seconds. Then please enter as well a cooling temperature. Usually for this type of material around 85 degrees is useful. As you see, the machine automatically corrects false input and you have the possibility to re-enter. Once finished, please confirm the values and exit the menus by menu button. As you can see now, the new sealing parameter set points are visible on the display. For sealing sample creation using the adjusted sealing parameters, please place the pouch between the sealing bars. Then push this pedal and please keep the pedal pressed during the entire cycle until the machine has finished its cooling phase. Also, the sealing bars will open automatically. Afterwards, please verify the sealing result on sealing seam integrity and quality properties. Of course, it is strongly recommended to test also slightly higher or slightly lower temperatures. In this case, this could be, for example, 150 degrees C as well as 130 degrees C. Adjustment of the sealing parameters is of course equivalent to the previous procedure. Thank you for watching, and just a final hint, do you actually know our innovative NanoPack family, also available in customized color schemes? For further questions, just refer to the email address below.